change of scale property. So this property we apply whenever if you want to find L of f of 2t, L of f of 3t, L of f of 4t. In that situations we think about change of scale property. Change of scale property states like this. To find L of f of at, a may be 1, a may be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like that. To find L of f of at, write 1 by a as coefficient and find out L of f of t. In L of f of t, replace s by a. Write in the place of s by a. Generally here a may be 2, 3, 4. That is to find or to evaluate L of f of 2t, L of f of 3t, L of f of 4t, we use first shifting theorem. When L of f of t is given, when L of f of t is given, to find L of f of 2t or 3t, what we are going to do? We are going to write 1 by a as coefficient. In Laplace, we are going to replace s by a. If you want to evaluate L of f of 2t, 1 by 2 coefficient and replace s by 2. If you want to evaluate L of f of 3t, write 1 by 3 as coefficient and write in the place of Laplace formula s by 3. What I am saying, this is the situation, exact situation where we are going to apply change of scale property. If L of f of t is given like this, if L of f of t equal to 4s square minus 2s by 6s square s minus 4s minus 2. This is the situation. 4s square minus 2s by 4s minus 2. Then find L of f of 2t. So if you have the function like this, how we are going to find L of f of 2t? Whenever if you have Laplace transform of f of 2t, f of 3t, you need to evaluate that. We think about change of scale property. So first write what is L of f of t given, 4s square minus 2s by 4s minus 2. So for this we need to find Laplace transform of 2t, f of 2t. So using change of scale property, L of f of at, using change of scale property, 1 by a, in Laplace formula replace s by a. That means to find L of f of 2t, write in the place of a2 here, 1 by 2, in Laplace formula replace s by 2. That means 1 by 2 into 4s square minus 2s by 4s minus 2. Write in the place of s by 2. If you write in the place of s by 2, s by 2 whole square minus 2 into s by 2 by 4 into s by 2 minus 2. What you will get? 2 square you will get, 4 get cancelled. 4s square. Here 2 get cancelled. Minus s by 2 1 there, 2 2 there. 2s minus 2. Like this one can easily evaluate Laplace transform of f of 2t, f of 3t, f of 4t. Sometimes you may have this type of questions also. One time we got in external exam this type of question. Use change of scale property. Change of scale property to evaluate L of sin h3t. So this is one external question. Generally, we won't get the name of the principal in the question. Very few cases we will get like this. Use change of scale property to evaluate L of sin h3t. Now the principle which we need to apply to evaluate that one is given in the question itself very clearly. But you need to create the situation where we are going to apply the change of scale property. Where we will apply change of scale property? When we will apply? Whenever L of f of t given, to find L of f of 3t, L of f of 4t, like that. For that, first you need to assume f of t. So f of t can be taken without a, here 3, without 3, what is L of f of t? What is f of t? Sin ht. Sin ht. Now, L of f of t, L of sin ht. You know this formula? L of sin hat, L of sin hat is a by s square minus a square. The same one, you may have one doubt. When we have formula, what is the need to apply change of scale property? Here indirectly in the question, they were asking to prove L of sin h3t value, you know, prove that value using change of scale property. Using this, you can say L of sin h3t value, this one, 3 by s square minus 3 square 9. That is the answer we have to get now. Using change of scale property. So now, L of sin ht means here a value is 1. 1 by s square minus 1. Now, L of f of 3t we need to find. Because if f of t is sin ht, f of 3t will be sin h3t. Here a is 3. Using change of scale property, 1 by 3. In Laplace, replace s by 3. So this is change of scale property formula. You know that L of f of at equal to 1 by a. In Laplace, replace s by a. So 1 by 3. What is Laplace formula? 1 by s square minus 1. Write in the place of s by 3. Wherever you are having s, there write s by 3. What you will get now? 1 by 3. 1 by s by 3 whole square minus 1. 1 by 3. Here 3 square, 9 LCM. The denominator 9 will comes to numerator. That means 9 you will get here. If you take 9 LCM, you will get s square minus 9. Now cancel 3 1 0, 3 3 0. 3 by s square minus 9 is L of sin h3. So this at the starting itself we know. L of sin h3t value we know in the starting itself. Using this formula we can say L of sin h3t is that one. That we need to show using change of scale property. Using change of scale property we have to prove that value is 3 by s square minus 9. So like this sometimes in the question itself we may have the name of the principal. Then it is very easy to apply that. But maximum chances we won't get the name of the principal which we need to apply to evaluate. Very few cases. One time we got this one for short answer.